कल्लड़ी है ना, अभी जा रहे हैं कल्लड़ी है। हाँ man, the scene is literally man very beautiful. Had food here man, chicken biryani. Now let's see where we can go. Attamalai, I think we are not going there because we are planning some other places now. Let's see what we can do. ऑटो पूछेंगे क्या? चलो चलते चलेंगे ना तो दिक्कत हो जाएगा। हाँ ब्रो, that is Attamalai road, some 3 kilometers that side. I don't think you can see, but if you can see, that is a road. And I feel like I should have bought bike, but no problem. Local kind of transport is kind of transport here. We can enjoy locally. Driving locally is also kind of different kind of fun. Here we have tea plantation. This is the way to Sitamakund. We took auto and got down here. Damn, this gives Shirley vibes. There we took bike and here it's walk. Nice, cool. यहाँ पे समझ नहीं आता घर कहाँ पे है, जंगल कहाँ पे है। सब जंगल में ही है। हाँ, ह्यूमन और जंगल को exactly. And that is wide angle cannot capture so good, but yeah, that is really very steep. ओ भाई मुझे डाउट लग रहा है यार, ये जाना है इसमें, रुक के देखते हैं। अरे भाई ये जंपिंग जपांग करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा। अरे भाई साहब, I think I have to put the camera inside. Oh, got down from there. Man, that is not so easy, man. Hey Ram, bacha lena. Baapre. Man, what more do you want than this, man? Damn, this is paradise. Like literally paradise. Damn it. I hope we come. But fine, cool, not a problem. Man, it was worth it, dude. It was worth it, I have to say. It was real worth it. Let's climb up there. One thing I have to tell, not even a single person is here apart from we two. What should I say? Seems like a mini Saturn Falls. Yeah, kind of. I don't know how deep is that thing, but yeah, it is deep. I'm not going inside the water, definitely not. I have a lot of things to cover there. It seems like I should stay for some time here. So peaceful. You see that it's full of forest this side, and this side we have forest as well, but just after some like, what should I say, some yards, okay, that would be a right word, some yards, there are houses as well. And I have to say the speciality of Kerala is people coexist with the forest here. That is really one standout thing about Kerala people and Kerala as well. And fresh water, beautiful water now. Guys, I'll do one thing, I'll climb up there and then I will meet you on the top, because we have a rope to climb up there. I don't know how it's gonna be. I don't want to take the camera in my hand and then struggle there. So finally it's 6 o'clock. We reached almost at 4:30 because we had planned to go to that glass bridge, but it seems like it didn't work out. It was too much foggy. If we had gone there, it would have rained and we would have seen nothing. So we thought maybe we'll skip this part today. and if possible I'll go tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm thinking of this trek. I don't know whether that will be possible or not, because that thing is here somewhere nearby and it was too foggy today. Depending on that, I am kind of skeptical about get the same, should not get same for what I found today. That's why I'm a little bit confused between what will be my destination tomorrow. So apart from that, now it's around 6 o'clock and well, I'll see you tomorrow then. It's almost, it's like people sleep here very early, like around 10 o'clock. It's like person who take care of this place, he tells that after 9:30 please don't go outside. There's a chance that you can spot an elephant, or don't know, there might be, but elephants are seen here after 9:30, so people don't go outside after 9:30 like that. I'll show you this property as well, no, but not today. Now it's late and it's not good lighting inside as well. This is a kind of new setup for me. Well, good morning people. I have to get used to this. ये दिल है मुश्किल है जीना यहाँ. Just for a cold start to check everything is fine. Okay. Man, it is raining so much, man. I have to say, every time I have to clean the camera. Today it's raining more actually when compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was not raining that much. It also thought maybe we will show some mercy on Akshay that he's walking today, so will not that rain that much. And today I'm taking my bike again. I think it has some problem. The rain has some problem with me when I take out my bike. Every time the same things happen. Well, I cannot complain, yaar. But yesterday we had a very good time. But today is also a good time. But only thing is it's raining. I don't know, man, if this thing is capturing clear things, but it's raining too much, I have to say. And this chest mount, I don't know how these things are coming out. I have no idea. I will check once. If it looks great, then fine. If not, then you have to adjust with that. I cannot do anything, man. I don't want to get challan. First time I have entered Kerala, so I don't want to get any challan here. So I'm just avoiding that. Apart from that, the roads are gonna be like this. Update: anyone who want to stay inside city limits or something like that, this place is very good, man. I have to tell. Kalpetta is very good place to stay. It has a very city limit. It's in city limits, and one more thing is you will get good food options here. That's what I saw around. If you want anything which is out of city, you can book the hostel. I guess I had to drop so many plans this time. I had a plan to go to Adiyogi as well. Initially my plan was to go to Ooty as well. Seems like, no, this rain, I don't think this will stop for another week. This will take some time to adjust to actual weather. So I think I have to abandon this further plan. Some other time maybe. If I go to Coimbatore, there is a yellow alert tomorrow morning. So I don't want to take any chances, because anyway I was completely half drenched when I reached Kerala. I don't want to repeat the same mistake again. So better I will go to Bengaluru today. Not today. In fact tomorrow morning. And then let's see how it goes. I'm hoping it will not be raining on the way, because seeing that only I had planned. I'll be leaving in morning. Let's see. I think I took some detour, man. I shouldn't have come inside here. I think I missed some left somewhere. ठीक है, कोई नहीं, होता है.